The invention of the traffic light. The invention of the traffic light is a fascinating story that reflects the evolution of urban transportation and safety. This is a brief overview of how it came to be. Early traffic control. 19th century beginnings. As cities grew in the 19th century, so did the number of vehicles on the roads, leading to increased traffic congestion and accidents. First traffic signal. The first known traffic control device was a manually operated gas-lit signal installed in London in 1868. It had two colors, red for stop and green for go. A police officer operated it. The electric traffic light. Introduction of electricity. The advent of electric power in the early 20th century paved the way for more effective traffic control systems. First electric traffic light. In 1912, an electric traffic light was patented by Lester Wire, a police officer in Salt Lake City, Utah. This light had red and green signals and was used to control traffic at intersections. The modern traffic light. Three-color system. In 1920, the three-color traffic light was developed by William Potts, a Detroit police officer. He added a yellow, amber light to indicate caution, creating the standard we know today. Further innovations. Over the years, traffic lights have seen various innovations, including the introduction of time signals and pedestrian signals to enhance safety. Conclusion. Today, traffic lights are an essential part of road safety and traffic management worldwide, continually evolving with technology to improve urban mobility and safety.